Hey guys, in this video I will explain how to recreate a lawn inspired by Studio Ghibli. So, the field is made up of normal grass and various foliage models, which we will not see in this specific video. As you can see, each blade of grass takes the color of the ground. As in this case, it's a technology called real-time virtual texture. Here you can download the project containing a lawn composed of various textures and the RVT ready to use. The download is free, but it's possible to make a small donation. Thank in advance if you do it. This helps to support me and it's a very appreciated action. Okay, let's start from Blender. Create a plane, rotate it on the x-axis by 90 degrees. Decrease its size to 0.3 meters and raise the panel until the lower part is slightly below the red line. Let's start cutting the plane in this way. Precision is not important. Split all the faces with the split tool and separate them like this. Let's take the verticals present in the upper area and lower them to create our blades of grass. The height of the model should be around 30 cm. Now let's position the blades of grass, trying to compose a round shape. Let's copy 5 meshes, Shift D, and place them in a shape always round but larger than before. At this point we join them to have a single object and we modify them slightly. Just do not show the loop of the mesh. Let's modify the height also. As said before, precision is not important. At this point, let's generate the UVs of the model with a tube projection. Let's move all the UVs downwards. And let's rotate this tree. At this point, let's see the normals. Let's go into Edit mode and click on the second square on the right of the screen. There are these purple lines and they must point upwards. So let's go to Mesh, Normal, Point to Target. Here let's make them point upwards in this menu. Now we can export our mesh. Alright, in the project you will find this landscape composed of 3 textures and a grass model that differs in two variations. Under Project Settings, we are going to enable the Runtime Virtual Texture support. Make a restart as recommended. We have a grass folder divided into landscape and grass. In the landscape, we have the textures and the materials related to the terrain. In the grass folder instead, the model of the grass files, its material, and these two objects to which the grass mesh is combined, where it's possible to modify various technical specifications regarding the grass. In the material instance, it's possible to change the color of the grass tips and increase the value of the shadow intensity, an effect to make the grass more defined and complex without losing too many FPS. Here it's possible to change the mesh specifications, such as their height or shadows, for example. With the Paint tool, it's possible to paint the textures on the landscape. Only on the green textures the grass is generated, thanks to these nodes in the landscape material, to which the grass type that we see a little while ago is combined. Let's add more paths to see how you can mix more textures. At this point here, by lowering the opacity of the ground, I can mix two textures, creating grass more tending to yellow. It's possible to mix and create a lot of color variations. Here we are at the end of the tutorial. With this system I created all the meadows of my game and this scene. All you have to do now is to start creating your own meadows in a stylized graphic style. Thanks for following the tutorial. See you next time. Bye!